How to hide who you follow on Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide who you follow on Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Before we proceed, first of all, you have to make sure that Twitter application on your device is updated. If not, update your application through Play Store. And once you update, simply launch the Twitter application and then log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your home page. Here, Twitter doesn't have a direct method or direct option to hide your followers list, but there are alternative way. By making your Twitter account private, you can customize the audience or only the approved followers would be able to view all your Twitter activities such as your posts, your tweets, or your followers list. In order to do so, navigate to the top left corner. There is a profile icon. Tap on that. From this drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now again, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on Settings page, scroll down a bit and there is an option as Privacy and Safety. Tap on that. You will get to this interface. From here, tap on Audience and Tagging. That says manage what information you allow other people on Twitter to see. So tap on the first option. So first of all, there is an option as Protect Your Post. So if you turn on that toggle on, only your current followers and people you approve in future will be able to see all your posts. And under that it says protect your videos. And if you turn on that as well, the video that you post or send via DMs will not be downloadable by default. So if you want that as well, you can turn on that as well. And if you want to turn off the photo tagging, there is an option to customize that as well. So if you like to go with that, simply tap on photo tagging and then you can customize as anyone can tag you or only people you follow can tag you or off. You can leave it that as off and then go back. So that's how you can make your Twitter account private to hide the followers list. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.